Here's to our journey. It's going to be mad. It's going to be insane. It's going to be suicidal. 3 brothers, 3 wheels, 1 auto rickshaw.
The Grand Trunk Road, the road of Hindustan, along which all India spreads out to the left and the right.
This is National Highway number 2. The National Highway that we're going down. The main road, like the Trans-Canada or the A4 in London. I'll be an old man when I'm done, I'm telling you, an old man. This man behind me is a holy man, a Baba, and he's renounced everything, even his clothing. All he carries around is a begging bowl.
The beauty of India is that though people don't have much money or material possessions, they are always happy and smiling. Bodh Gaya in Bihar is where the Buddha gained enlightenment.
This is such a peaceful place. Few places in the world are this peaceful.
The highway is just narrowed down to 1 lane. Now she gets nasty. Buses coming your way, trucks, no room for anything.
Three wheels of madness. No shockers, no doors, no safety. Just diesel fumes and blasting horns.
This highway is going to add years onto my life. These roads are fucking bad. Just beat the shit out of your body. Need a little break.
Varanasi, ancient city on the banks of the holy Ganges, where every Hindu aspires to breathe his last. Performing puja in Varanasi wipes our karma clean and is a direct pathway to salvation.
inflating your belly is not easy.
Yoga on the Ghats of Varanasi, where men have practiced this ancient art for thousands of years.
Shiva!
Kavariyas, barefoot devotees, trudging for miles with pots of holy water.
This man is at the last leg of his pilgrimage. Shiva. He's carried this water all the way from the source of the Ganges, 290 kilometers away. He's been walking for 1 week. This is religious pandemonium.
Laughter is the best medicine. If you laugh, the world will laugh with you. And if you weep, you have to weep alone.
Life is a circus. We are the performers, and this country is our stage. A dhaba, or an Indian truck stop, is a revitalizing point of rest, grub, and highway gossip.
Ooh, this looks good. Some dal. Some dal and chow.
The food in these roadside dhabas are amazing. It's so good. This one's hot chilies and capsicum. This is chana masala, chickpeas and curry, chapati, rice, chow, and onions and peppers.
Pan, a curious explosion of Indian flavors wrapped in a leaf.
The longer you eat, the more taste comes blasting through. Beautiful.
Our journey started as a rollicking adventure. Now it has turned into a religious pilgrimage.
"45 kilometers, and we're at the last stop before the Pakistan border and the finale of our trip.
Nihongs, traditional Sikh warriors, living a nomadic existence of religion, art, and life.
These traditional Punjabi Sikh warriors are now making us a special herbal drink. Wow.
It's interesting. It tastes tingles. It kind of makes your mouth tingle.
लेखा धर्मराज ने मंगना पाप न कर बंदिया.
The Golden Temple of Amritsar is the ultimate place of pilgrimage for the Sikhs.
पाप न कर बंदिया, पाप न कर बंदिया.
in the Golden Temple's free kitchen, they serve 50,000 pilgrims and poor every day.
कर बंदिया पाप न कर बंदिया
Eight kilometers up the road is the Pakistan border, and the trip is over.
I'm excited now, but I know getting out and finishing the trip, I'll be sad. It's something I'll never ever forget for as long as I live. This was an amazing trip, and we made it safely.
4,000 kilometers, 3 months, we made it!
Thank you, India!
Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah! After driving 4,000 kilometers and spending 3 months in the rickshaw, this sort of celebration or show of Indian patriotism is a really fine way to end this whole rickshaw journey.